Hi friends, in the previous tutorial we understood Python sets. In this tutorial we will discuss an important data structure and the most frequently used collection of Python dictionary. In Python, dictionary is used to implement the key value pair. It is that data structure of Python which can simulate the real life data arrangement where some specific value exists for some particular key. You can say a dictionary is the collection of such key value pairs where the value can be any Python object but the keys are the immutable Python object, that is numbers, string or tuple. Let's initialize a dictionary. Say details of an employee of any organization. Say Google. From this variable declaration, you can say a dictionary in Python can be created using multiple key value pairs separated by a colon, and each key value pair is separated by a comma. And this collection of the key value pairs is enclosed within curly braces. Data type of a dictionary variable is Python dict. You can access a value in a dictionary using its key. Say, if you want to access name of employee, you can try something like this. Similarly, you can access company name Google from its key, that is company. You can also update a value in a dictionary through its key. Say you want to change salary of the employee to $30,000. You should use key salary this time. If I check the status of the dictionary, salary has been updated. You can also count number of elements in a dictionary using len function. It shows that there are 4 elements in the dictionary. That is correct. If you want to delete a key value pair from a dictionary, just delete its key. Entire key value record for that key will be removed. Say if you want to delete company details, then we will have to use company key. Syntax del is used to delete a record of a dictionary and check content of dictionary employee. Here you can see that company details are deleted. You can iterate a dictionary to separately access its keys or values or both key value pairs. When you iterate a variable in dictionary sequence variable, it points to its key. Let's take this example to print all the keys of a dictionary. Here, variable item points to key of every element of dictionary employee. Let me run this code. Here you can see that we have extracted all the keys of the dictionary. If you want to access all values present in the dictionary, just follow the method that we discussed earlier. Like we can fetch value of any element from its key. And using this concept, if you replace this variable item with variable employee and pass variable item as its argument, then it will give you all the values present in the dictionary. Here you can see that we have filtered out all the values present in the dictionary employee. You can also fetch all values by using values method in for loop like this. Here, it is obvious that a variable item in the for loop expression points at all values in the dictionary. Let me run this code. We are getting same values. But if you need all the key value pairs together, you can iterate for loop using items method like this. Here, iterating variable before comma gives us all the keys and variable after comma provides all the values respectively. If you want to enlist all keys or values separately in a list, you can use built-in Python functions like this. Here, this piece of code will give you all the keys present in the dictionary in a dictionary key format, which you will have to convert into a list using list function. If I run this code, we get all the keys in a list. Similarly, we can get all the values using dot values method, which is obvious. That's all about how you can access keys or values of a dictionary separately or together. Friends, one important concept about Python dictionary you should note here that value of all the elements can be any mutable or immutable object. But key of all elements must be an immutable Python object that is a number, a string or a tuple. Let's understand it with an example. Suppose I copy this dictionary variable and try to make one of its key, say company, a mutable Python object. Let me enclose key company within square brackets. Now you can see that I have made this key a list, which is a mutable Python object. And if I run this code, it throws an error, which means that dictionary key cannot be a list, which is a mutable Python object. Well friends, that's all about Python dictionary. Now you have enough knowledge to solve problems involving dictionary in Python. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If this tutorial has enhanced your knowledge of Python dictionary, then please like the video. If you have any questions or comments about Python dictionary, do let us know in comment section. Do not forget to subscribe our channel if you want to get a notification about our new tutorial at the earliest.